What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks back with another video taking a look at Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. I made a video a couple days ago where I shared kind of my outlook on the stock and a position I was in, so I thought I'd provide a quick update. It had a really nice day today, up 6.25%. So we'll take a look at how Alibaba's been trading, some key support and resistance levels that we have coming up, and based on that, what the future of the stock could look like. So if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on BABA are moving forward, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record. First things first I want to share is that, I got this notification here that there was some unusual options activity in Alibaba. A lot of people were buying the December $235 calls. So that's something to kind of keep in mind is, big money knows something's going on. It could be a reason why it ran today, or it could be a reason it continues to run. So let's get rid of the indicators here, and we'll take a look at what we see. So as we could see, up $13.90 on the day, 6.25%. After hours up another $1.59, which is 0.67%. Compare that to the indexes, right? NASDAQ was down 0.38%, Dow was down 54 points, which is 0.18%, and then the S&P was also down 0.19%. So comparing it to the indexes, BABA was relatively really strong. Now we had some levels that we had drawn up the last time we did this video. And if we take a look here, right, they held up pretty nicely over the course of the last 2 days. The first time, right, we went down, bounced off of this level, stayed above VWAP. That was yesterday. Gapped up today right at this other level we were looking at, and then bounced off of this 230 level, pushed up, stayed above VWAP for the rest of the day, making a high of $239.19 before kind of selling off in the second half of the day, which makes sense because it was up more than 6%. Ended the day up 6%, so it was up decently more than that. So what does BABA have coming moving forward? Well, let's take a look here and we'll kind of see what we see, right? If we go up here, so we saw a huge gap down after there was news that the Chinese Communist Party is going to be investigating Alibaba for having too much power. Jack Ma and the Chinese government have had sort of a back and forth. And so this was the way of the Chinese government to kind of, get at Jack Ma in a way as well. But they're also investigating. So that was the sort of bad news that drove the stock price down. I shared with you guys that I took a position in BABA. I'll give an update on that in just a little bit, but let's take a look at BABA. So it bounced off of this level really nicely and pushed up. If we take a look at some of the indicators, right, they are still, up there because of, well, two things. A, because of how far down it is, right? But B, how much it has declined in recent times. So let's take a look at, what we have coming up. So as we kind of established today, I think this 230.52 is the first level of support that I'm personally looking at. And then if we break below that, then I'm looking at the 226.27 level. So 230, then 226. On the upside, I am looking for the stock to capture this AEMA right at 242. I think that if it has enough momentum and it can capture it, then we can continue riding this AEMA upward. And then we've got this level in the 252s that we've kind of identified as the next level of resistance. That's also my goal for the stock, is as we see here, before this huge gap down on 1215 and 1223, that level held up as really good support. So if we can get up there again in the low 250s, I think that level could hold up as decent support in the near future, and the stock can, establish that as a base and start to push forward. Now, there's always the potential of a little bit of a pullback, since we did have a really nice green day, and from the low that we set 211, we are up to kind of we got near the 240s. So someone that got in just a couple of days ago is up more than 10-15% on their investment. So a little bit of a pullback could be fine, as long as we are able to kind of once again validate this 230 level, and then eventually make our way to the AEMA at 242. And then hopefully push up towards 252. What positions do I currently have open? Well, this is the debit spread that I had open, right? I bought the 220 calls, sold the 230 calls, which netted me, $4.35, which cost me, $4.35, so $435. Those are currently sitting at $6.45, which is a $210 total return, 48%. 48% is not typical for me, just throwing that out there. I was able to time it, I was able to get lucky, and that it pushed forward. I knew that it would go up, didn't realize how quickly it would go up or the extent to which it would go up. So just want to throw that out there, not saying that I can make 48% trades, not going to say that I called it. Knew that the general direction would be it moving up, but you know, thankful that that happened. And then I also picked up a long-term BABA call, which is I'm up $145 on. My cost was $450. It's at $595. This call does not expire until January 2022, so it's a little bit more than a year out. So I'm looking to hold this for a little bit, hopefully at least until this 252 level, if not a little bit more based on how those things look. So let me know down in the comment section how you guys are playing BABA, or if you were able to take advantage of some of the movements. I'm really looking for that EMA capture and hopefully a push up from there. That's all I had for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you are in BABA, and I'd love to chat with you down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.